Check out Vivo's latest flagship device, the Vivo NEX 3. The NEX 3 serves as a follow-up to Vivo's form factor-defying NEX Dual Display. Out of its sleek box, the unit comes with a hard case, a USB Type-C charging cable, a power brick, and a pair of earphones. It sports an 8.9-inch waterfall full-view display, achieving a 99.6 screen-to-body ratio. The curved AMOLED display provides an uninterrupted overall viewing experience. The NEX 3 ditches other physical buttons like the volume rocker and power button on the side. Instead, the device has a TouchSense plus X-axis haptic vibration motor in place. There's also a physical power button on top of the phone in case it will need troubleshooting. To attain its full-view display, the NEX 3 16-megapixel front camera and LED flash are tucked away in a pop-up mechanism. The NEX 3's sleek, futuristic aesthetic extends to its rear too. On its glass back, the NEX 3 is fitted with a unique circular camera bump. The device comes in a premium-looking glowing night colorway. Inside the circular camera bump are 3 cameras, a 64-megapixel wide lens, a 13-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Under the hood, the flagship boasts a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset running on Android 9 with FunTouch OS 9.1. Its 4,500 mAh battery promises all-day use, and its vapor-cooled chamber cooling system keeps the device from overheating. The Vivo NEX 3 is available for 39,999 pesos.